Calgary, Alberta is putting greater emphasis on a company's performance when awarding highway maintenance contracts, although Transportation Minister Brian Mason insists the change isn't connected to the collapse of a former maintenance giant in the province. Companies bidding on a highway maintenance contract have traditionally been graded very heavily, 95%, on how much their bid will cost the province, Mason told reporters at a news conference. Alberta Transportation Minister Brian Mason said the province is restructuring how it handles bids for highway maintenance going forward. Jeff McIntosh, the Canadian Press file photo. Going forward, Alberta Transportation will lower the emphasis on cost to 60%, with 40% going to a company's performance, whether it's able to properly maintain highways and work alongside local communities. This, we believe, especially in light of the Carilion situation, is an outdated approach that does not reflect current industry best practices or promote innovation, Mason said of the province's old system. It also tends to result in success for whichever contractor submits the lowest bid, despite potentially being unable to deliver the services that are required. Article continued below. Carilion, Canada, an offshoot of the British construction giant, once held contracts for about 40% of Alberta's highway maintenance. Went into receivership last January, and a BC company has since taken on its contract. Alberta highway maintenance companies and the provincial government have said Carilion was notorious for lowballing on bids to the point where it endangered profit margins. But Mason said changing the system wasn't a recent idea. Actually, I asked the department to start looking into these ideas a couple of years ago, and it's taken a while, he said, adding the situation with Carilion forced Alberta Transportation to switch gears and deal with it first. The government will also lower the time span on new highway maintenance contracts from 10 years to 7, with the option for a 3-year extension if a company lives up to expectations. Contracts for 10 of Alberta's 25 highway maintenance areas are due to be re-tendered later this year. Brennan Doherty is a work and wealth reporter with Star Metro Calgary. Follow him on Twitter, @Bren_.